Hello friends, welcome to our channel Siragugal Viripum. We are going to see multiplication using Vedic Maths. I am going to teach you some easy way of multiplication. These multiplication can be done in just 2 seconds. Possible. How can we do? Shall we start? I will tell you the technique you can observe. I am going to multiply 2-digit number by 2-digit number. We are going to do 2-digit multiplication. Here I have written some sums. 34 multiplied by 36, 43 multiplied by 47, 58 multiplied by 52, 73 multiplied by 77. We are going to see how we can do these multiplications in just 2 seconds. Regular method, first we will multiply by 6, then by 3. But in Vedic Maths, we will go from left to right. Okay? We are not using a regular method because it is a 3-step method. But in Vedic Maths, we can just do in 2 seconds. All these sums, if you find the tens place, the numbers are same. Like 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5. Now, we have to find the ones place, that is units place. If you add the units place, the sum will be 10. Like 4 and 6, if you add 10. 3 plus 7, if you add 10. If you add 2 plus 8, it will be 10. Okay. Now, we can use the same technique for multiplying these numbers. Before, in Vedic Maths, we use the method from left to right. In regular method, we will go from right to left. Okay. What is the first number? 3. What is the consecutive number of 3? 4. 3 should be multiplied by 4, which is 12. Okay. What is the last number? 4. 4 should be multiplied by this 6, which is 24. Now, we should just join and write 1224 is the right answer. That's all. Now, we are moving to the next sum. 43 multiplied by 47. The tens place is 4, which is same. The units place is 3 and 7, which is the sum of 10. Now, we have to take 4. What is the consecutive number of 4? 5. 4 should be multiplied by 5, which is 20. Now we have to multiply the last 2 digits. 3 should be multiplied by 7, which is 21. Now we have to join and write 21, which is 2021, and that is the right answer. Now shall we move on to the next 2 sums? (52) multiplied by 58. 63 multiplied by 67. The same method. Here the tens place are same, 5 and 5. The tens place are same, 6 and 6. And the unit places, if we add, we will get the sum of 10, which is 2 plus 8, 10, which is 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay. Consecutive number is nothing but the next number. We have to take 5. What is the consecutive number of 5? 6. So 5 multiplied by 6. Now we have to multiply the last 2 digits. 2 multiplied by 8. 5 6 are 30. 2 8s are 16. So the answer is 3016. When 2 digits multiplied by 2 digits, the answer will be 4 digits. Okay. Now we are going to carry for this sum. 63 multiplied by 67. The same method. What is the tens place number? 6. 6 multiplied by the next number 7. 6 sevens are 42. Last 2 digits. 3 multiplied by 7, which is 21. The answer is 4221. That's all. The multiplication can be done in just 2 seconds. We are going to see some more sums. We are going to see few more examples to get more practice. Now we are going to multiply 97 by 93. What is the tens place? 9. Both 9 are same. Now what is the tens place here? 2. Both 2 are same. Now we are going to write 9. What is the consecutive number of 9? 10. Now we are going to multiply the last 2 digits. 7 multiplied by 3. 9 tens are 90. 7 threes are 21. 9021. Very easy method. We are writing left to right as it is Vedic Maths. Now here, what is the number? 2. What is the consecutive number of 2? 3. 2 3s are 6. Now last digits. 8 multiplied by 2. 16. Answer is 660. Right? Now again we are practicing some more sums. In this sum, we are going to multiply 41 and 49. Okay? The units place is 1 plus 9, which is the sum of 10. Now the tens place is 4, which is same. We are going to take 4. What is the consecutive number of 4? 5. Right. Now the last two numbers. 1 is multiplied by 9. 4 5s are 20. 1 9s are 9. If you write 209, the answer is wrong. We are going to see why 209 is wrong. Multiply a number by 1, that is 1 into 9, the answer should be written as 09. So, now 4 5s are 20, 1 9s are 09. So, the answer will be 2009. This is the right answer. You can check. 65 multiplied by 65, where the unit place is 5 plus 5 10, the tens place is same. What is the consecutive number of 6? 7. Now last two digits, 5 multiplied by 5. 6 sevens are 42, 5 fives are 25. The answer is 4225. Okay. Now you follow all these methods. The multiplication can be done very easily. We are just starting from left to right using Vedic Maths. We have seen many examples. We can apply this condition when the sum of units place is 10, which is 3 plus 7 is 10, 1 plus 9 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, and the first numbers are same like 2 and 2, 4 and 4, 6 and 6. We can use this method. It will be very easy. We can get the answer in just 2 seconds. Again, I will repeat the condition where we can use this techniques. Like sum of unit place should be 10. Like 3 and 7, 10. 1 and 9 if we add, we will get 10. 5 and 5 we will add, we get 10. So, the digits before the unit place should be same. Like 2 and 2 same, 4 and 4 same, 6 and 6 same. There we can use this technique. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Meet you in another interesting video. Bye.